I don't have any with me.
If you don't have it, I'm going to arrest you, sir.
Well, arrest me then.
Step on the vehicle, please.
Do what?
Step on the vehicle, sir.
Why?
So calm.
If you arrest me?
Yes, sir.
No, you don't arrest me.
Sir?
Or you going to arrest me?
I'm going to ask you to step on the vehicle.
You going to handcuff me?
Sir? I'm going to ask you to step on the vehicle.
Officer?
Sir, I'm giving you a lawful directive.
No, you can't give me no lawful directive.
Sir,
To tell me so you don't arrest me, you can't me now my driver's
vehicle,
license.
Step from the vehicle.
Officer?
This is a final warning I get this.
No, this is not a warning. Don't tell me that you're going to warn. If you tear gas me, you know.
Step from the vehicle.
No. If you tear gas me, don't. If you tear gas me.
Step from the vehicle, sir.
You're going to tear gas me.
Step from the vehicle, sir. Step from the vehicle. Step from the vehicle.
What are you doing to my phone, bro?
Sir, step from the vehicle. Step from the vehicle, sir.
A lot of vlogs. A lot of vlogs. Are you okay? Are you okay? Turn up or off. Up. Are you okay? Yeah. Where's your phone? I want to call. Can I call somebody like Martin or somebody? No? Don't call none of them? You sure? You sure I mustn't call any of them? No, wait. You can't spray all money in your eye. How are you supposed to spray up our old man in his eyes? That's my father. What kind of example him setting? And he catch me in my eye too.
What really happened? Why this?
He's trying to explain to him, he's talking to him, and the policeman is being very ignorant with him. And he sprayed it in his eye, directly in his eye. How are you supposed to spray? No, he did not. He overtook a set of vehicles, and the police overtook. Walk along, children, walk along. He told him to pull over. He pulled over. He was explaining that how much vehicles he took, overtook, and he was saying no. And the police officer told him to exit the vehicle, and he's saying, hold on, we're trying to explain, and he sprayed him directly in the eye. Now that's a violation. For no reason. He didn't show any aggressive force or anything. I have a video. You okay?
Alright, since all the situation was so aggravated, no. I don't know. I'm trying to say this.
That one. And I don't begin up, you know? Are you okay right now?
Get some water.
Yeah, they have any water?
Why don't we
I would like to restrain him and not let him spray anything else in my father's eye, please. I don't trust him. Wine on the window? No. He says no. 40 years and all this. Can you believe it? Walk along, please. Can you let them walk along, please? Do you have any water? Huh? Do you have any water? Here. Life just throws terrible things at you all the time. You know? After 40 years of service, you got a treat.
turn it.
It's on it. After 40 years of service. I'm going to call him out like that. Can I?
No, man, no.
More water? Can you see? Can you open your eye? Are you okay? How are you going to deal with the situation? More water? Why they turn one something into this, dog? Look here. Who is this now? Is it looking the brown suit? Open your eyes for a second. Look to your side. In the brown suit. You seen anyone around, Sus?
What up? Ula, what's up? What's up? What's up?
They spray him in his eyes. He need to fire them or something.
Young boy, still at me. Hey, look here. Stop.